Hey, what's up everyone? If you've ever thought your packed schedule or the cost of a gym membership was holding you back from that dream body, let me stop you right there. Because today, I'm breaking down how you can transform your physique right in your living room, no fancy equipment needed. First up, let's talk about home workouts. You don't need a rack of weights or a membership card. Your body weight is your best friend. Push-ups, squats, planks, lunges, they're classics for a reason. Try this. Hit 10 reps of each, loop it for 3 or 4 rounds, and trust me, you'll feel the burn. That's your body getting stronger. Ready to ramp it up? Let's talk height, high-intensity interval training. Sprint in place for 30 seconds, then walk it out for 30. Repeat that for 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll be torching fat and sculpting muscle at the same time. It's quick, it's intense, and it's perfect for busy days. And hey, don't forget the power of music. Build a playlist that gets your heart pumping and keeps your motivation high. Working out should be fun, not a chore. Now, let's move to the kitchen, because you can't out-train a bad diet. Forget crash diets. Think balance. Fill your plate with fruits, veggies, lean protein, and healthy fats. My go-to hack? Start your morning with a high-protein breakfast. Eggs, Greek yogurt, maybe a smoothie. It keeps you fuller, longer, and sets you up for the day. Hydration is key too. Drink a glass of water before every meal. It helps control hunger and improves digestion. When it comes to portion control, smaller plates can make a big difference. Take your time, chew slow, and really enjoy your food. Your body needs a minute to tell you when it's full. And here's a tip. The more colorful your plate, the better. Aim for at least 5 colors of fruits and veggies every day. That's a simple way to get a full spectrum of nutrients, but above all, consistency is where the magic happens. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate every victory, big or small. So there it is. Home workouts and smart eating can totally reshape your fitness journey. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling amazing from the inside out. If you're ready to crush your goals, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which workout you're trying first. Thanks for tuning in. Let's stay fit and fabulous.